Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and this is your friend here, Prince. And by friend I really mean a friend because when it comes to trading there is no doubt which are not clear till now. I can find very silly questions from many of them, even to give an example, people even ask, sir, my mobile has got hanged while trading, what should I do? Just from the lighter side, I have no problem in clearing all your doubts and all those things, but a friend is really a friend. I don't mind clearing any doubt of yours. That is the name, that is the reason why I call myself a trading friend. I wish I also would have had a friend like Angel Trading Friend when I started my trading career almost 10 years back. But unfortunately, I had to go through Google, I had to go and search many through study materials and then clear all my doubts. Now, why is this video so important? And the topic for the video is financial independence or financial freedom. You can call it anyways. And what is the meaning about this? You look into dictionary or look into Google, you'll find lots and lots of meanings about it. But I would like to just say a theme about it. By the word financial independence and by the word financial freedom, I just mean a situation where you are no more dependent on your monthly income, monthly earned income. There are many kinds of income. I will cover all those in the next videos. But how to get independence from your earned income? Just to give you a situation, just if at all you want, you can just close your eyes. This is not a meditation program, but just close your eyes and just visualize a situation where something which you like, you're doing something which you like. Say for example, you like playing music, you're playing whole day music, or you're traveling. Some people like traveling, some people like playing cricket, or some people like playing football. Just imagine you're playing football, you're just playing cricket, and then you're no more dependent upon your job, you're no more worried about getting up early in the morning and going for job and all those things. Okay, but income keeps coming. Income keeps coming. By income keep coming, I don't mean that it's somebody else's income, it's your own income. And how do you make such kind of an arrangement where you are enjoying your passion, you're living your passion, but still your income keep coming for your family to survive, for you to survive, for you to travel, for you to keep up your passion? This is a situation where what I'm referring about a financial independence or a financial freedom. Now friends, why am I in front of the screen? You would have seen me most of the time back of the screen. The reason because the responsibility has increased 7 times, or you can say 10 times. The responsibility on the shoulders are very much now. There are lots and lots of people who are dependent on me to achieve financial independence through trading. This channel is specifically for people who are working. It's for people who are having 9 to 7, 9 to 6 jobs in India especially. And how do we get out of this situation? How do we achieve financial independence? How do we no longer depend on our earned income? So that is the reason why I feel that there are a lot of responsibility on me. So there are many who are who are touch with me on WhatsApp and who are continuously asking me, sir, how do I get out of the situation where I am dependent on my 9 to 6 job? So then slowly but slowly I was guiding them. I was showing them how to. I was not teaching basics, though I have lots and lots of strategies available on my YouTube channel. I used to guide them one-on-one through WhatsApp and all those things. But now the number is increasing. As you can see, the subscriber list also is increasing and the numbers are increasing. And I feel that I have to come in front of the screen. I have to take you to this journey. And from now onwards, I will be showing you how, or I'll be leading you. I'll be showing you the path how to achieve that financial independence. So the first thing what you all have to do is, if at all you feel that you have to enter into this journey, first of all, finalize and decide on a mentor. It need not be me. If at all you feel I am worthy enough to take you through that journey, you can depend on me or you can come along with me. Otherwise, if you feel that I am not the correct person, you can find somebody else. So the point is not that you have to follow me. What I am saying is that decide on a person. The person whom I used to follow was Robert Kiyosaki. I have told you in many of my videos also. He is an author. He is also somebody whom I can call as a guru, who mentored me, it's like a Dronacharya Ekalavya story, though he did not mentor me directly. Through all his books and all his teachings, I used to continuously follow him and I achieved such kind of situation. Okay, so first of all, decide on a mentor. It need not be me, it can be anybody. And once you decide on that particular person, then no more turning back. Always, for everything, whatever the person teaches, blindly keep following, nothing else to be done. Okay, this is point number 1. Next, point number 2. I am going to take you through this journey by trading. Because you all know that through trading, we can earn income. There is lots and lots of income from trading. And many are surviving out of trading income. And you would have already seen on my WhatsApp status as well that almost 3 of them have resigned as of now after taking up this commitment very seriously. And out of that one was a housewife. She had to resign because she had to take care of a baby. But still others too were men who are working with very good reputed companies. So this number can increase, and I also wish that you also will be one among them. And one more strong reason for doing this program is, friends, of late you can see that the recession is going on, and many of my subscribers or many of my friends who are in touch with me on WhatsApp keep saying me that, sir, I'm losing my job, I might not have job from next month, I already got my pink slip. Now what is pink slip? You will get a notice that your job will be removed. I mean, you will be terminated with just 1 or 2 months of salary. So there are many who are on their benches, many who are in such kind of situation where they don't know what to do next. So that is the reason, friends, don't depend on one source of income. This is the lesson number 2 which you are going to learn today. Don't depend on one source of income. If at all you are working for a 9 to 6 job, well, very good. Along with that, you have to get a passive income. So what I mean by passive income, it's an income where you don't have to spend much of your time. You don't have to put much of your effort. Just use your brains and just make use of common sense, and then you can make a lot of money. But some people, when they hear this, make a second source of income. What they do is they go to 9 to 6 job, and then evening again from 6 to 10 they start going and working in some other work or night shift or riding Ola. I have heard such kind of strange stories also, where a software engineer, to accommodate his extra kid, is also going in the night for working. So this is not what I'm encouraging. Don't go and strain yourself. You have to spend time with your family. You have to spend time with your loved ones and with your friends. So then the best option is stock market. You don't have to spend much of your time. Just have to spend 2 minutes or 3 minutes. That is my style, because I always keep telling is just spend 2 minutes, place your order, and then just no turning back. Okay. So second thing is, as I told you, is find a good source of secondary income. Now third part is coming to trading. I am going to teach only about trading. I am not going to show any other source of passive income. It's only going to be trading, because I have also succeeded through trading. That is why I would like to show you the same path. Okay. Now the assignment for you all is, say for example your salary is 50,000. In trading, let us target every month 10% of our salary. Okay. Say for example your salary is 50,000. You are going to target only 5,000 for your first month. Now you might say, sir, 5,000 will not replace my salary, I will not be able to quit. I am not asking you to quit your job. You are going to continue your job for another 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or whatever years. I am not going to tell that immediately you are going to achieve financial independence. I am only making you start this journey. Okay. So coming back to our target, we are going to target per month only 10% of our salary. What happens is, most of my fellow traders who trade along with me, what they say is that, sir, I make money on the day 1, then by day 2 I make some money, day 3 I get some loss, by day 4 I make some money, then by end of the month I am in loss. This is called as over trading. So this is something which I teach even in my mentorship program, and this is what I am going to tell you all now also. Divide your salary, that the target which we kept, that is 5,000 for 1 month, divide into 4 parts. Okay. So if at all you are going to divide into 4 parts, it's going to be 1,250, 1,250, 1,250, 1,250. That is, weekly we are going to target only 1,250 rupees only. So friends, first week, day 1, say for example, you can select any strategy of mine, or if at all you have any other strategy you can follow, or if you want my ATF mentorship program you can follow, nothing of that sort. But say for example you are following a Reliance PRB strategy, a very super hit strategy. The target is 1,250 on week 1. So day 1 you are trading, and then if you are trading with a capital of 1 lakh, say for example 1 lakh, on day 1 you got a profit of 1,250. Stop trading. Don't go back again for trading. That is the end for trading in that particular week. No more trading in that week. Enjoy yourself. Go for movies or go for playing sports or anything. Take care. Be with your loved ones. Do anything. Divert your mind from that. Okay. And now I will just share with you how I diverted my mind. I used to read books. This helped me a lot, because we had that craving. You will also be knowing that without trading you can't resist your hands. You feel like trading daily. If at all you feel like trading, if you feel like avoiding trading for the rest of the day, divert your mind to something else. So I started reading books. This is how I gained a lot of knowledge. So this is one thing which you can try doing. Otherwise, start playing games. Games can divert your mind a lot. Okay. So first week, say for example, day 1 you made a loss, then day 2 you are going to trade again, and in case if you recover the loss and make profit, stop trading. So sometimes you will not be lucky that you can stop trading it's day 1 itself. I am not saying that stop day 1 itself. I am saying you to stop when you get your target achieved. So keep an Excel maintained and just mention the dates when you are getting a profits. Day 1 loss, day 2 you are recovering, because you know we all have stop losses. So in case if a stop loss is hitting on day 1, day 2 you might recover your loss and you can make a profit. And then when you're making a profit, stop trading. No more trading. Then again, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you're all happy, you're all relaxed, chillax. Then again, next week, Monday, start trading. So every week when you're in profit, then obviously every month you're going to be in profit. And why I gave this 10% target is, friends, because you need to have a target before going. Say for example, you want to travel to Agra or you want to travel to Taj Mahal. You need to know the destination where exactly is. Only then you know how much time is required, how much, what are the things you have to carry with you, and all those things. Same thing I'm telling you here also. In case if you need to reach 50k in 1 month, 5k in 1 month, then decide yourself each week how much you have to make. And this is going to be a journey. Don't, and you might say me, sir, 10% is very less, 5,000 is very less. Forget all those, friends. You see the difference it makes a hell lot of difference. Trust me, it made a lot of difference for me, and I'm sure it will make a difference for you. When you end up making profits every month, the difference is going to be huge. The confidence that you get is going to be huge, and then you'll start changing your complete style of trading. Your attitude will change towards trading. Everything is going to change. So that is why I'm saying, take this challenge, trade for only 10% of your salary, and then stick to this for at least 1 year. If not 1 year, at least for 6 months. You will see the discipline coming in, you will see the confidence coming in, and then you can increase your capital, or you can increase your targets, you can increase a hell lot of things, no doubt in that. But please follow this very, very strictly. This is something which I'm serious about, and I'm going to take you through this journey of financial independence. You're going to get lots and lots of videos about this. And if at all you're tuned to my channel, and if at all you are continuing this, I would guarantee you that by 6 months you will be on the path to financial independence. I'm not saying that you will achieve financial independence. I will show you that you will be on the path to achieve financial independence. And this is my open challenge. Okay, friends. So if at all you like my video, and if at all you feel that you want more update from me about this financial independence and many other things, you can stay tuned to my channel. And if at all you like this video, and if at all you feel that to encourage me, then don't forget to press the like button and also press the subscribe button. And friends, if at all in the future you have any doubts, any queries, or you want me to talk about any topic, or you want to pick any topic, you can always WhatsApp on my number. My number you are all aware, it's 8095-876525. Any doubts, any question, any point of time, just a WhatsApp and your answer will be there. I won't guarantee you the time when I can reply you, but as soon as possible I'll reply you. Okay friends, so thank you and have a nice day.